Imagine this. You're 45 years old, working a job you hate, living paycheck to paycheck, and wondering, where did all my money go? Sounds terrifying? That's the future you could be sleepwalking into, unless you wake up now. And no, winning the lottery is not a financial plan, unless your strategy is hope and pray. Today, we're not just talking about money, we're talking about freedom, peace of mind, and building a life on your terms. This is why personal finance is the most important skill you were never taught in school. Here's the harsh truth. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money management problem. A survey by CNBC found that over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even those making over $100,000 a year. Let that sink in. You could make six figures and still be broke. Why? Because nobody taught us how to budget, save, or invest. But guess what? The bills don't care. Netflix and chill is fun until your credit score is chilling at 520. Without financial literacy, you're not in control of your life. You're renting it. Every financial mistake compounds. Credit card debt, missed opportunities, no savings, and one emergency, it all comes crashing down. But here's the good news. You don't need a finance degree to take control. You just need to start. When you understand personal finance, everything changes. Suddenly, you're not just working for money. Your money is working for you. It's like switching from being a passenger to becoming the driver of your life. You learn to budget so you control your spending. You build an emergency fund so one problem doesn't destroy everything. You invest so you're not chained to a job forever. And here's the best part. Building wealth doesn't require being rich. It requires being intentional. Picture yourself 5 years from now, debt-free, a healthy savings account, investments growing quietly in the background, traveling, helping your family, sleeping well at night. That's not a fantasy, it's a financial plan in action. But the clock is ticking. The earlier you start, the more powerful your money becomes. So ask yourself, will you let money control your life, or will you take control of your money? Still think personal finance is boring? Ask future you if they'd rather be broke or wealthy. If you're ready to master your money and unlock real freedom, don't stop here. Click the video on your screen right now. Master your money, personal finance, and investing for a wealthy life. It's time to build the life you deserve.